another update. I took off the slack adjuster. I split it in half. There was just 6 bolts. It was pretty easy. That just leans back. Took off the belt. It's just hung up there. I tried to take these off, but they are you need a puller. That's what these 2 holes are for. And it's not worth it. I'll just wrap them. I got most of the crap. I really tried hard on the rusty spots to get it off. Obviously there isn't places where the grinder will go like that, but that's not going to be open very much anyway. This spot I'm really worried about. It's pretty scaly, and couldn't get the grinder in there, so I'm gonna have to do a little bit. Yeah, you can tell the difference, but I'm gonna have to take some sandpaper to all the spots that I didn't get. Got that mostly ground. Took off the blower, took off the grass catcher bracket mount thing, I guess. That's right there. I just had a little bit of extra spray paint in that can, so I just did that spot underneath that. That one I welded to the actual mower deck, because it was the only way to make sure the rust was not coming off. You'd have to see it. So I got that painted underneath so I could put that on. Mistake is grinding. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, there's some particles right there and there and all over. It's all dusty and stuff. It's dry for the most part, but yeah, right there too. But it's okay. It looks like it's still kind of wet, but that's just how glossy it is. So I'm gonna have to take those out, get back in there. So I painted the blower. Man, it is shiny. I love that. Can't even really tell because of my light, but it is super glossy. Yeah, you can see there. It's really, really glossy. And you can see right in this corner right here, that's wet and that's dry, so you can see how it goes from cloudy to glossy. So, and there's a bug in it. What the hell? Let me see if I can get you out. Oh, come on. Oh. 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 Well, that bug's gonna be part of this, and so are my fingerprints, I guess. I'm waiting for Monday to finish painting it, because I just I'm gonna have too much to do with one can. So I mean, unless I just do one coat and then go and get another can and do the rest of it, but that's pretty much it. I did accidentally paint my sockets, but whatever, it's just Craftsman and Harbor Freight. I have better ones at work. This is my mask from working. That's what it's supposed to look like. and yeah, it's pretty dirty. Flap disc, took the wheels off. I don't know what I'm gonna do about those. I don't know if I should just try and paint them or what, but I know I need new tires for it. I'm trying to, yeah, they're pretty cracked. Try and get that to, yeah, I see right there. So that's pretty much it for right now. I did have some extra, so I just threw it on. I don't know what that spot is, but I'm gonna probably just grind that off anyway. Oh, that's weird. I have no idea what that is. Might be some other spray paint that just didn't like it or whatever, but I'm gonna have to smooth that back out. I mean, all the rest of it looks fine, but that's the way she goes. So I know I'm not gonna be able to paint that in the same session. I'm gonna put this all back together, and that's gonna be probably a winter project when I don't need the mower. So I don't know what's going on with that dog out there, but whatever. It's the way it goes sometimes. So that's pretty much it for right now. I'll try and keep you updated on it. So have a good night.